Tania. Welcome back to day 20 of Vlogmas. For today's episode, we are doing a reseller gift guide. So these are great ideas to gift a reseller in your life. So if you're already a reseller, you probably know this already. So you might want to send this video to a family member, a friend, so they get an idea of what to gift you. If you want to buy a gift for your bestie or you have other ideas, feel free to comment them down below and put it out there in the universe. These are some of the things that us resellers might like for Christmas or any other type of holiday gift, birthday gift, anniversary gift. Anytime you want to give a gift to a reseller, these are some great tips. So I know price ranges vary, so we're trying to keep it under $50. There will be a handful of pricey gifts, but I will always give you an affordable option. So some of them are very basic, but I think all of them are appreciated. So let's start off with something as simple as a tape gun. Tape guns can range between $10 and $15. They're a great tool to have when packaging boxes. A bulk order of shipping tape, you can buy packs of 12. They're around $25. This in combination with a tape gun, I kid you not, depending on how much they sell, if they're part-time or they're like heavy bulk seller, these can last up to a year. So you can save your reseller a lot of money. It does save time to use a tape gun. It's so much easier. So something as simple as a tape gun or a bulk pack of shipping tape, together they make a great gift for any reseller. Okay, another tip would be something as simple as an IKEA bag. IKEA bags are only $5 at IKEA. There's different varieties of open bags as well as the bags that have a zipper. If someone were to give me a 2-pack of IKEA bags, I would be so happy. I always need bags. Something as simple as a shopping cart. Shopping carts can be pricey. You might be able to find one for around like $30 on Amazon. I purchased mine at Target. It was $59.99. I love my little shopping cart because I love shopping at flea markets and swap meets. So having the wheels on the cart really helps me, you know, navigate through the concrete. And I love it more than a shopping bag because I have shopped at flea markets with the shopping bags and it can get really heavy and just tiresome, you know, carrying them around. So having a shopping cart is a great option. So depending on what your budget is, maybe try and search for one on Amazon, but they can go up to like $60 depending on the quality. Also, Hulken bags. Hulken bags are kind of like a hybrid of the two, a hybrid of the IKEA bag with the wheels of a shopping cart. They are a little pricey. They're $89.99. I've had one in my cart forever, and every time I try and go and buy one, it's never available. It always says coming soon, but my wish list for now is a Hulken bag. But for now, I'm happy with my shopping cart. So moving back to shipping supplies, depending on where your reseller is selling, you know, if they're selling on Poshmark, they can use the free USPS shipping supplies. If they're selling on eBay, they might be using a combination of both eBay supplies, USPS supplies, but they might have to use their own shipping supplies if they're shipping first-class mail. You can buy your reseller shipping envelopes. So these are just poly mailers that you can order on sites like Amazon or You Pack and Ship. You can buy them in packs of 100. You can buy them in any type of print, season, or you can just buy plain white ones. Normally, I would get at least a 10 by 13 size, if not bigger, as they're more universal. Range between $20 and $50, depending also on the material. Specifically on You Pack and Ship, they have something that's called a smile mail package, where you get 100 of these poly, not this exact print, but 100 envelopes. You get 100 poly bags, you get stickers, you get thank you cards, you get the entire little package. And I think it only costs about $19.99. It varies on the size of the envelope you get and the print that they have available. So I would highly recommend you check out You Pack and Ship. I don't have a code because it's not sponsored. I just have purchased those products before and they've been really good quality. I think this is a smile mail by You Pack and Ship. They're really good quality and they're very affordable, so I highly recommend them. But you can also buy things separately, so you can find 100 pack of these. Again, they range between $20, $30, $40. You can buy your reseller a roll of thank you stickers. These are just from Amazon. They just say thank you for your purchase, and I stick these on my poly bags. These can range between $6.99 and $9.99. Your reseller a pack of clear poly bags. These are used to put away inventory into storage. They come in bags of 100, 200, 500, depending on your budget. And they can range from like $15 up until $40. And you can buy your reseller a pack of packing paper. Here are the sheets that I've purchased in the past. They're very affordable. Some resellers prefer using paper over the plastic bags for environmental reasons. Going into inventory and storage, you can gift your reseller a utility cart. A lot of people use those carts to store their shipping supplies in. I have a little 3-tier cart, range in prices between $29.99 and $89.99, depending on if you're gonna buy it at IKEA, Target, Walmart, or Amazon. But there's all different types of varieties. There's different sizes. I would get a size where, you know, things like shipping tape fit, poly mailers. It's just a little area to store all of their shipping supplies. Something as simple as hangers. If you're a reseller, you go through a lot of hangers, and the more you are in the game, the more you see the difference between wire hangers, plastic hangers, felt hangers, and wooden hangers. So I feel like nice wooden hangers are great for presentation if they're doing pop-up shows, as well as the velvet hangers because they keep the garment on the rack. And you know, everybody loves general plastic hangers. Again, if you have a large inventory system where you're hanging a lot of items, a pack of hangers goes a long way. And I would avoid wire hangers. Wire hangers can damage clothing, so I would avoid wire hangers. Another great gift idea would be a garment steamer. So garment steamers can range in prices between $25 up to like $300 for a professional garment steamer. This is my garment steamer. I think this was like $40, a handheld one, so it can only steam like maybe 2 or 3 pieces. If your reseller is more of a heavy duty professional, if they're doing it full time, they might want a full steamer. Those prices range between I think $89 and $150. Also come in handy. And obviously the high ticket items would be something like a label printer. The 2 big brands in the reseller market are Rollo and Dymo. These go up to $300. Do you need them to succeed in your reseller business? Absolutely not, but they do make shipping somewhat easier when you print the sticker and just stick it on your shipping box or your shipping envelope. I mean, I would be so grateful if somebody gifted me a wireless printer, but there are off-brand wireless printers available on Amazon, and I saw some as low as $95. If your reseller already has shipping label printers, then a box of shipping labels, blank shipping labels, are always come in handy, so that would be greatly appreciated. Now let's talk about some no-cost gifts. So what can you gift a reseller if you have 0 budget? You can gift them your support. So share their websites, leave them comments, engage with their social media, share their videos, share their listings. Support is priceless and it goes a long way. You can gift your reseller creativity, maybe get on Canva, design them a logo, a thank you card, and send them a digital image that they can download and then put in an order for new business cards, or design a thank you sticker, design a logo, something that they can use to then print on their media. One of the best gifts that my boyfriend has given me in the past was a logo. He gifted me a little logo that I then used to print on business cards, and I've incorporated into my, you know, social media and my YouTube channel. So things like that go a long way and are very meaningful. So that's it for today's Vlogmas. I hope you guys enjoyed this gift guide and you share it with someone I don't know, maybe needs a little hint as to what to buy you if you're the reseller, or if you want to give something to your reseller friends. And if you have any other ideas, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow for more Vlogmas. Bye.